Oh hell, I think I could do this video. I think I can do this video while I'm doing the job. And it's like, the flash kind of acts as a dome light. I wasn't gonna do this originally while I was doing the paper route. I was originally gonna do this video on the side of the road, which increases my chances of having the cops called on me. I was doing a test run, and I was like, you know, I think I kind of like it this way. Okay, so topic of the video. I'm sorry, I got a little distracted. Is how to fold papers with absolutely nothing. And the reason this video topic even came into my mind today was I've literally ran out of bags. I've run out of rubber bands. I do not have enough bags or bands to complete the route. So I have to cheat. And how you cheat is, you know, okay, like anybody who's a tube, they ain't getting no bag, they ain't getting no band, nothing, you know, save every supply you can. But what happens, I don't have a lot of tubed papers, so that's not really gonna help me. So what I need to do is I need to fold these papers a certain way. But see how bad that looks? Okay, so what the problem is inside this stupid freaking thing, god dang envelope. So now I can fold the paper according to the envelope. There we go. It's a lot smoother. Now what you do is you take it and you fold it just on the inside flap. And you squeeze it together. Crease the lines. Voila. Oh, don't fly into my car, bug. Alright, so the envelope sucks. Like if I take the envelope out, you can get a way better seal. So usually that will work pretty good for you, right? I mean, and now here you go. Now, if you're gonna throw it, make sure when the paper's going through the air, it'll be okay right here, but right as it gets to here, it's gonna open up and it's gonna explode on you. Okay, so what do? You throw it backwards. So you throw it with this little flat part that can get caught by the wind. You throw it first so that the second rotation is already going to be like this. The flap's going to be going aerodynamically with it and it won't break open. And it has a higher chance of breaking open, but because of what a tight hold this is right here, it's less likely to break open. But these are low speed throws. Like here's one right now, right? This is the Wall Street Journal. As you can see, it has nothing else in it. It fit really nicely. So we're just gonna take it as is, no bands, no bags, nothing. Oop, you're right there. And you're just gonna gently toss it out the window. You don't wanna be chucking it because you don't want too much air to catch this flap and break it open. You're gonna probably break open a few papers when you're doing this and everything. If it's a low windy day, you might be able to get away with it. All right, so that's one way. Now, here's a supply I think we all have, right? We got these stupid yellow straps, right? And we all got these stupid yellow straps. Okay, and you get them, and if you haven't already, I'm waiting for this to happen to you. Let me know when it happens to you, because it's the funniest shit in the world. These are gonna fall out of your car. You're gonna walk up to your car. You're gonna walk into your house. You're gonna walk around inside your house. Somewhere, somehow, you're gonna trip on one of these. You're gonna damn near kill yourself, and you're gonna develop a hatred for these damn yellow straps. And I ain't gonna say the customer likes them anymore, but what you can do is you take two. You put one right there, fold the paper, you wanna roll the paper. Oh, excuse me, I got a paper coming up. You're gonna strap it. This strap's a little tight. Hold on, I gotta deliver. See, no band, nothing. I'm going a lot slower. Just a little toss. A gentle little toss, aha. And now, you have yourself a doorknob hanger. And so if your paper's bigger, you know, you use less of the strap. It's like two. I'm pretty sure two. Okay, like two is definitely just a little bit too light. But, you know, like, let's say it was multiple. Let's say the paper was a little bit bigger. Alright? Let's say that was two papers right there. Well, we're starting to get somewhere. But two papers, yep. There you go. And now you can hang it on the doorknob if they're one of those porch people and everything. And you're getting rid of your straps. Now, in regards to the customers liking them, yeah, probably not. Sometimes they get kind of mad at me for throwing away my trash, but you know, it is what it is. Now here's one of your, if you want to be really cool about it and really pro about it, and you just take the paper, one of the brown pieces of paper. I generally do give these out. Usually I'll put a band just as a safety. These are kind of little stretched out rubber bands. But I'll put a band, and there you go. Like if you need a bag and you don't have if you need a bag and you don't got a bag, and here's a bag. Essentially, that'll help protect the paper. If it's a real rocky driveway, it'll help keep the paper from getting nicked and cut and everything. Because a lot of times, see, we don't think about that. And you got to remember, for some people, having the paper folded like this, you got to think, when they open it up, it's kind of wrinkly. Some people really hate that. You got to make sure, if they ever complain about it, they're going to be one of those, oh, fine, I'll bag it and make sure it's not folded, you know? Because you got some people that are kind of like that. Hey, that was an owl. Okay, I think that's about... Well, there's one more thing you can do. If you're trying to be really conservative, you got these yellow straps. You break it open, right? You take the paper, fold it over, take your handy lighter, go. Fold, bend, fold, in, kind of tie it. And now we're going to take this end. Ow, that was my finger. Burning myself. Woo. Voila. Okay, I did it. That was kind of a shitty job. But as you can see, you can make a band out of just a little, oh shoot, I'm going the wrong way. You can make a band just out of the yellow strap if necessary. Okay, I gotta go right. I don't deliver down that way anymore. Yeah, I don't like that. That did not come out very tight. But, you know, you don't want to waste anything. You can just go ahead and go like this, because I actually need a lot of supply. Ooh, that's gonna be a tight one though. Oh, perfect. Voila. There we go. Oh, that worked perfectly for the RGJ. Oh yeah, that's deliverable. And see, now you got yourself a banded paper. And all it took was these stupid yellow straps that always try to murder you. Who, down in the comment section, who's almost died? Huh? At least once from one of these things, right? Oh yeah. But this is something I have almost died on several times. Back in all the different newspapers I did. I actually really like that idea. I think I'm going to keep doing it that way. Oh, I gotta go deliver that 60 guy. I did this thing. The reason I'm having a problem in this section is because I did it backwards. Gonna deliver this Wall Street. Alright. Melt this end. Oh, well, do a better job than me. Y'all have a great day.